In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shein Puppy Keep expired issue in just 5 minutes. Now, if you're an avid user of the Shein platform, you might have encountered this frustrating error. It's an issue that can prevent you from accessing the full range of features and deals on the site. Don't worry though. I'm here to guide you through resolving this issue step by step. First up, the initial action we want to take is logging out of your Shein account. This might seem simple, but by doing this, we clear any potentially corrupted session data which might be contributing to the problem. So go ahead, navigate to the Shein website, and locate the Logout option in the account settings. Once logged out, let's move on to the next step. Now that you're logged out, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These are small bits of data stored on your computer that help speed up browsing. However, they can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, causing various web browsing issues. Each browser has a slightly different process for clearing cache and cookies, but generally, you'll find it in the settings under Privacy or History. Make sure you select the appropriate options to clear all cached data and cookies. Once that's done, let's make sure your web browser is updated to the latest version. An outdated browser can sometimes lead to unexpected glitches, including this one. Regular updates from browser providers usually include performance enhancements and bug fixes, so keeping your browser up to date is always a good practice. Check your browser's Help or About section to see if there's an available update. If you use any Shein-related browser extensions, this is the time to consider uninstalling and then reinstalling them. Extensions can be incredibly useful, yet outdated or problematic extensions can impact browser performance. Uninstall your current version and download the latest release from the official extension store to ensure it's trustworthy and up to date. If after these steps the issue still persists, it's time to reach out to Shein support for help. Go to their official website and find the Contact or Support section. Here, you'll describe the expired Puppy Keep issue and mention all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Providing this information will help their team to quickly understand your problem and offer a suitable solution. In some cases, they might be able to reset the game or resolve the problem directly from their end. So don't hesitate to reach out. Support teams are there to assist and ensure you have the best experience possible. With these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the expired Shein Puppy Keep issue. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in resolving your concerns.